This video is for CIS 105 students that have taken or completed the Simnet project and were not happy with the score that they got. I wanted to provide a video that better demonstrates how to correct that. So if you open up McGraw-Hill Simnet here on the left-hand side, I'm going to open it up in a new tab here. And mine will look a little bit different, but yours should look like this screen when I click on the Sim student here. And so you'll get all the tiles and for your sim paths and your projects. And you can see here that I've submitted this one project. So I'm going to click on that project and open that up. And it'll take you back to the starting page of the project. What's different here is you have this link to previous attempts. Okay, so then I can open up this attempt. Say I have an attempt 1 here, and I got a score of 95%, and I want to try to fix the thing that I got wrong so I can improve my score. So if I click on this link here that says attempt 1, it brings up the report for that, and I can see on the left-hand side the items that I got either partial credit or they were incorrect. So the two things that I got wrong was question 12 here, correct the spelling and grammar in the document using the context menu and the editor. And then question 16, add document properties using the properties dialog box. So I can download right here. I can click on this download your submitted file, and then I can go back, open that up, and click on the enable editing button. And I can go back and fix that question 16. I'm just going to do it for question 16 here. So question 16, if I look here, yeah, so 16.1 or 16.b is what I got wrong here because it's the red one. So it says type online learning information in the title text box in the property list. Okay, so online learning information. So and that's what it says here on the left as well. So if I bring over that again and go to 16, I have to go over here to the properties or click on the info, and then over here where it says properties, expand that and open the advanced properties. And I think the instruction said, so online learning information is what I didn't put. Oh, I just put info and it should be information. And then click OK. And then go back. And now if I save this again, the file save as, and I'll save it to my downloads folder. Let's see here. Oh, it's already in the downloads folder. Okay. So now if I go back to this, and I can open up this again, and then click on the upload my file, and this is the one that I just completed. It's in the downloads folder. Click open, and then yes, submit. And it should come back with a better score than 95%. I didn't fix the other one yet, so it should come back. Yes, see, so now it's 98.39%, and here's the other one that I need to correct, but I only got half a point off there, so I'm not going to worry about that. So it's a little bit involved to do that, but if you use this report and you just look at the red squares, the ones that you got wrong, and then here is the blue square, this is the one that I got partial credit. So partial credit is the 12E. Okay. 12E is the one I didn't get completely right. So I'd have to look and see what I did wrong there. and then fix that. But I'm not going to worry about it for only 2 percentage points. So I hope that that helps. Um, Let me know if you need any assistance, any further assistance, and I'll be glad to help you out. Thanks, guys.